Are you an iPhone 11 owner and you wish you had MagSafe? Well, I think I've got an option for you on the next Mix of Tech. Hi guys, welcome to Mix of Tech, where I review technology for the consumer and prosumer, and I give my take on the things I see. I've really enjoyed my 2-in-1 magnetic charger from Satechi. It was great for my iPhone 12 Pro Max, but my iPhone 11 Pro Max was getting jealous. I did some research and found out that Satechi makes a magnetic charger sticker that allows it to interact with a magnetic charge similar to a MagSafe technology. This Satechi magnetic sticker is $9.99. It's an eco leather in black and looks really good on the speaking case. This is super simple to install, and it's a great option to add for iPhone 11. In the box, it comes with templates for iPhone 11s and iPhone 12s. And you may be asking yourself, why iPhone 12s? Well, if you don't have a MagSafe compatible case, then it doesn't necessarily work great beyond the case itself, and so you need to add it to the case. In order to get the most out of the magnetic sticker, it's best to install it without a case, but I've actually done it with a very thin case like the Spigen Liquid Air. To install the magnetic sticker, pick the template that's appropriate for the phone and align it to the phone. Put the sticker in the line circle area and peel off the template. I first tried installing it without my case to see if it would work, and it works great with the Satechi 2-in-1 charger. It does charge on MagSafe and Qi chargers, but I found on MagSafe it got kind of hot, and I didn't get the same wattage as I would expect, which is from anywhere from 7 to 15 watts. Since I know everyone likes a case, or at least I do, I decided to install it on the top of my case. It was super simple to take it off the iPhone and install it on the case. It works well with the Satechi 2-in-1 charger and about the same with the MagSafe and Qi chargers. The look may not be for everyone, but it's convenient to be able to use my 2-in-1 magnetic charger from Satechi for my iPhone 11. With minimal testing, I was able to get 3.46 watts with my iPhone 11 and my AirPods connected to the 2-in-1 charger. And this was at 56 to 58%, as to my iPhone 12 Pro Max with the 2-in-1 charger was getting about 4.6 watts. So I was getting charging speeds that were appropriate for this magnetic charger, and in comparison between the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it was relative to 1 or 2 watts. In conclusion, who is this for? This is for the daily charger that's okay with decent but slower charging speeds. You're going to get anywhere from 3 to potentially 7 watts of power charging with this magnetic sticker. This is a great option in comparison to upgrading your iPhone 12, and in this case my iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is a great phone, but really the only advantage that I get out of it as opposed to my iPhone 11 Pro Max is I get a better processor, a better camera, and MagSafe capabilities. So for $9.99, I can upgrade my charging capabilities and be able to leverage other MagSafe-like products. This is a great deal. So if you've liked this video, I hope you hit the like button. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more great content like this. Thanks for joining A Mix of Tech.